just have to put an end to all this. I just have to end it all.
I'm begging you not to do this.
You've tried. You've done more than enough for me. I can't continue being a burden to your life.
I got to complaining. I'm not doing this for love. Walk. It's nothing but a dead man. He cannot even stand or walk or feed himself. And you see, let him shoot himself if he wants to. You're a mere vegetable. Because I beg you, it's Mama. Never let me go in and stop him before he doing the shooting. It's only secure. Listen now! Shoot yourself right there!
Come. I'm sorry. I have to do this.
I'm trying the number, since no connection. I'm trying it. No. No connection again. Hey. Oh. Hey. Number ya dia gaga. Aduh Nemesi. Oh, tu kau ni sabi ni gua bika gua. Abang tiga hebat kan di rocia moncio. Bandit.
Hey. Get me water to drink. Hey. Ndakum jaja. Ooh. Hey.
Let me one. Ndo. Hey, can't make it for
Hey.
Hey.
I'm robbers. I'm robber, so.
I'm okay.
Okay, robber. Hey. Yakum Jaja.
Ibu, what happens?
My dear, I was coming back from Lagos. And I entered this big lorry with their goods coming down to the east. You know, I had to enter the lorry because I had no money with me.
Hey.
I had no shishi with me.
Whoa.
So I jammed these bandits.
Hey.
You know, they forced me to release my bag to them. I refused. I refused because they thought I had a lot of money in my bag.
Hey.
So they had to beat me blue, black.
If you go near, why you refuse releasing in time? If they're killing you, is it better?
I wouldn't have done that because I have my CVs in my bag.
CV?
Yes.
You want to give CV?
My original certificate, which I use in looking for jobs.
Certificate?
Yes.
Chineke me.
Certificate.
Oh. Chimo. Now that they have taken your certificate, how are you going to get in a good job?
I don't know.
Chai.
They took away all my original certificates. I don't even know what to do.
Ebezina, oh.
Hey.
Ebezina. I'm no Lisa Binigwe. Chukum. You know, you're getting a good job. God will provide us a good job. You know, Ndo. Wakaiga. I'm not the rum, Meriha. On the rum.
This love is strong beyond human comprehension. No sacrifice. This love is strong beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. Love us where we give. The rich Jamanu. No sacrifice. Their love is strong. Strong.
I'm robber. Oh,
easy. You want your no.
Taking heart. No. Taking heart as strong like a man.
Yeah, you taking heart and taking it like a gentlewoman.
If I eat more than like this now, is it still romancing?
I didn't ask you to romance me. Just do this thing. This is not this is not type of romance. No, I'm
Put your obi. Maybe I'll go back here. I'm pressing it down.
Stop pressing it.
Hello. Mbamba, chelo. Chelo.
The man can have to be a fibula. Chelo, go. I don't want again.
I don't know, come messy fan. Come be again, huh? Oh, come be again, call him.
I just need one idea. Go be a man. Go be a boom.
The Zoom.
Oh.
I got him.
Hey, I really boom.
When I quit from there, they will not go scotted free. You know, as long as available is life, Chukwulisa, you go getting good job.
Amen.
You know go.
Amen. Oh. Hey.
Did you see Geba? Oh? Did you see the Seba?
Hey.
Kept your head here.
You're going crazy now, you problem. Hey, come eat up my quantity. Hey, why you?
Chiwobi. They will not go scotted free.
Scotted? Okay. Hey, come. Double pin.
Come here again. I'm not quite easy with God.
Hey, madam, we should be. Hey, if you come here, no. Hey.
When you're sleeping, I'm going to shop. Then I'm coming back and doing cooking for you. Oh?
Okay. Thank you. Come. Oh, God will bless you. God will bless you.
Amen.
Hey.
Smile. No, smile.
Papa, who is here? I want to buy me a
Come. Alice, okay. So, Ali. So, how is it? No selling, no selling. I come in late.
Why now? Do you I know is always punctual? Why?
Alice, which one is factual?
I did not say punctual. I say punctual. Okay, I will explain. Punctual means, how do I put it? Okay, it means arriving early, on time. Our principal, Nanka school that year, he always tell us, always be punctual in school. Do you understand now?
Alice, you knowing I not going in secondary now. I stopping from standard 1.
It's true. It's true. But how about Izuna? Hope you both are still seeing each other. Come. What is it?
He coming early, He coming early today. Armed robbers attacking him.
Hope they did not injure him.
They're injuring him,
Hey!
That is why I come in late now.
Hey! What about the job interview he went for?
I don't know. But he crying, they taking everything.
Hey! Timo, this is heartbreaking. Oh, this is heartbreaking. Please, greet him for me. Oh? All the things they took from him, he's going to recover it.
Amen, Amen.
Hey.
Alice, I'm going to cooking for him.
You're going home? Hey. It's okay. It is well. Oh, but before then, I need milk and Milo.
Hey, Izum, why stressing yourself?
Cooking is no longer a stress to me since I learned it from you.
But I tell you not to stress on yourself. I'm coming back and cooking myself.
My dear, why waiting for you to come and cook since I can do the cooking? Don't worry, okay? This one, you're going to love it. It will be very delicious.
Izum. I'm smelling the smell at the entering compound.
So, anyway, it's not called smell. It's called aroma.
Aroma?
No, aroma.
Hey, is it cooking the food?
No, it's not used for cooking food. It's a pleasant smell that comes out from a good food.
Apoibo. Sweetie. The question is your food tasting nice?
Anyway, it's going to be nice. This one will be the best egusi soup.
I got this here.
Try it.
Bagam.
I know you like it. That's why you love it.
She don't know how to speak. She don't know how to write. Oyibo.
You won't try? I told you that this would be the best you've ever tasted.
Let your head not growing big.
But I've already finished cooking before you came in.
Okay, you are not telling the truth. going inside and taking your drug payment.
It's not called drug payment, it's called pain relief drug. Not drug payment.
Okay.
Take it easy now. You're not rushing it with anybody.
You're also rushing the food now. Rushing the food. When is that taking a payment drug?
Who knows that if that payment drug will work the way you used to call it?
I'm not letting you eating food well. Joining me.
But she knows what she wants. You can call her Olodo, but she knows what she wants.
Why did you look at me like that?
Get out, Joe. You're too fine. Only you. Yeah? Oh no go. Akwo juku. Yeah? Me. Yeah, look at you, so beautiful. Yeah? Imapani bwana no you go to tozo. Yeah? Nemo, ibugolo rani. You know na leki. Yeah? You know that someday I'ma just hold you like this. I'll lick you like a lollipop. You know, I'm just short of words to quantify how beautiful you are.
This my beauty is because you're presenting in my life.
Okay? Hi. Come. You're too sweet.
Kagam. Otamago. So we're going you this morning. We're going you this morning.
Hi, come. Yeah? Anyway, I'm going to the local government. I want to go and see if they have a job for me, you know. I don't have a phone anymore, and they might have been trying to get me on the phone. So let me go there and check if there's anything for me.
Good thinking of you. Going to the police station and reporting about your VC.
My VC? VC?
Those are certificates.
Oh, hi. Okay, my CV and my certificates. Anyway, I think that's a good suggestion. Yes, that's a good one. I think I'll do that. It's okay. It's okay.
Let me go inside and be buying go to shop.
Eh? Oh, okay. Okay. Hi, come. Let me tell you something. Come, at least one of these days try and make me happy. Eh? Just try and fat in your marrow. Arrow is Open it down, Adam.
Adam, my God!
Yeah, my God. I don't want to because. Hi. Can we go? Eh? One bar or one bad. Kambili?
So, what happens? You're injuring? The brush is injuring you?
No, I don't think it's the brush.
Oh! Those attacking from those criminals.
No, I don't think it's them. I experienced this while I was in Lagos. But the blood wasn't this much.
Izu, when last you changing your brush? After
Since last year.
No. Looking your brush. You see shuku shuku. Eh? Ojaye looking your brush. They're telling us you should be changing your brushing. Wamgbe.
It's okay, let me just finish with this first. I'll change it.
This your brushing is not hygienical. I preparation your food inside. Let me go inside. Oh?
Listen now. Bia.
What is it? What is it? Are you okay?
You peed?
Yes, I did.
You peed blood, oh.
Oh, it's the fowl blood. Yes, I killed a fowl there that we use in cooking our soup.
Hey, Obimo, I was become worrisome. Hey.
My dear, see, stop bothering yourself, okay? You don't just have to worry yourself. I am perfectly okay. Huh? I am fine.
Amen, Mo. Amen.
Yeah, Bala cook on. Oh, let me look for something and cover it.
This love is strong, beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. This love is strong, beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. Love us very good.
Tonto, you working already? Finally.
My dear, how are you? I hope you slept well.
Those are sweeting story you told me. Sweeting me sleep well.
Moonlight story. What are you up to?
I wanted to washing your dirty clothes before I go in shop.
Why now? Why should you be bothering yourself? I'll be at home doing nothing. You know I don't work. Okay? So you shouldn't bother yourself doing that. I have my hands, so I can wash them.
Complainant.
You can wash them. You shouldn't be
Obar.
bothering yourself.
Blood again?
Blood? Where did you get that from?
From the trouser you were wearing yesterday.
Okay.
Is anything wrong in?
I am worried though.
Okay.
Blood.
Nothing is wrong with me. All I needed was rest, and I've gotten it. Okay? I am fine.
Blood is not something you're joking with, my dear. Let's see a doctor to knowing why blood everywhere.
Okay. You don't need to be stressing yourself. I am perfectly okay. Huh? Look at me. Don't I look healthy? I am strong.
True. You're looking healthy. Kakaraka. Na piakwa ofuma. Mana, we seeing blood everywhere. Now, blood on this hanky. Izum, we seeing doctor.
Obim, I am fine. Nothing is wrong with... Okay, I've heard you. Eh?
I'm fearing.
You don't need to be scared of anything. I've heard what you said. I'll do that. But just know it that I'm fine. Okay? I just have to put an end to all this. I just have to end it all.
I mean, I'm begging you not to do this.
You've tried. You've done more than enough for me. I can't continue being a burden to your life.
I'm not doing this for love. Walk. It's nothing but a dead man. He cannot even stand or walk or feed himself. Can you see? Let him shoot himself if he wants to. You're a mere vegetable. Nicole, I beg you. It's Mama. Never! Let me go in and stop him before he's doing the shoot. He's only secure. Let me not shoot yourself. He's in there! Shoot yourself at the end!
Come. I'm sorry. I have to do this. Hey! What happens? Why cry and cry? Eh? Ogini, why cry and cry? Oh, amazing fan. Your tears brokenness the heart of my innermost. Huh? Stop crying. I don't even know what is wrong. I don't even know.
Kadirima. You know, go. Stop crying. No. I followed you to cry, you know. Alice, you know you are my friendship. I don't like him bringing person into Izuna and me relationship.
That's true.
This one is a troubling me.
Kambili, you know you've been my friend since childhood.
Is you?
Though our paths went different ways when you left school pre-standard 1. I never let that affect our friendship. Please, feel free to talk to me. You can actually confide in me. Huh?
What is a confined?
Confined. It means you can actually talk to me. You can actually tell me what your problem is. Huh?
Alice. Cutting this English is small. No. Or you spoke Igbo to me. Sora mo Igbo can no.
But I've told you this earlier. There is no way I can cut down the English for you. I have to speak English with you so you can learn how to speak, so you can improve. Oh?
It is a true.
So tell me, what's the problem? Eh?
It is in my Izu. He's saddening and crying.
Hey.
And not telling me about the matter. I trying everything very well to make him giving me a talking. Not giving me a talking. The thing is saddening me.
I asked you before. You told me Izuna was robbed and he lost his certificate that can actually help him get a good job, right? Hey, yes now. Such thing can break any man down.
Chelukwa, Alice, you telling me Izuna not getting a good job?
I didn't actually say so, but that certificate he lost is necessary.
Hey, that certificate he's schooling in schooling engineer 5 years. Hey,
it's very necessary. He needs it to get a good job.
Hey, Izuna not to explanation it well to me now.
Yes, but I just pray he will find something doing now. No hardworking man with ambition is happy staying idle. You just have to. You have to stay with him. You have to encourage him. He needs you now. Oh. It's okay. Don't cry. Oh, God is in control. God will see you through. Oh?
You know me, I suffer to put him to that you any.
I know.
Hey, thank you. Thank you, Alice.
It's okay. I just need you to stop crying. Oh?
If you know the explanation this thing to me, I don't know what is going on. Oh.
This love is strong beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. This love is strong beyond human comprehension. Oh, no sacrifice. Love us very good. Courage Jamadu. Oh, no sacrifice. Their love is strong.
Time will have coming for when I come into cooking afternoon food.
The time was so fast.
Izu, you're looking down. giving me a talking. What is in the troubling?
I spoke with the field operation manager of the local government council on the phone, and he told me that there's no job for me.
Hey! Why now? But he promising to got you that job.
Yes, I thought so. I'm even surprised he called.
Hey. Oh. Is that why you are saddening and crying? Don't worry. You will gotten a good payment job. You know, go. We know.
Kambili, it's been over 5 years since my graduation, and I'm still searching for a job. When will this end? When is this going to stop? I'm still searching for a job up to this moment. All my mates are making money with good jobs. Making money, living good life, driving big cars. I need to make money. I need to make money and take care of you and also pay you. I need to come and pay your bride price.
Complainant am I supporting you money from my market. Eh?
Kambili, I know, but for how long? For how long? You've done more than enough to see me through school. I can't continue depending on you for daily bread. I can't.
Dependent you on me daily bread. You know, go. We're eating abacha, opa, and egusi too. Eh? Okay, want you. In God's timing, you will got a good payment job that will turn around our lives. You know, go.
Amen.
Is that why you're looking down?
Kambili, you see, when that time comes, I'm going to shower you with enough love. Yes, I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to treat you like a queen, which you are. You're a good person. You're good-hearted. I must say I love you. I love you so much.
Me too. I don't speak in egusi.
I know.
When I'm more shit. I'm in the kitchen first.
Love with the Kambili is something else. What a tender heart, Kambili mama. She's ready to sacrifice all for her love. Please pardon me, love.
Kambili! Kambili Oginezi, I've been waiting for you at the hospital. Eh? The doctor insists that we complete the payment 200,000 naira before he starts treating Mama. Where is the money now so we can go and make the payment?
Looking for it.
You can't possibly be looking for the money now. It's only the three of us in this house. Mama and you and I. Can't believe, where is the money? Where is the money now? You what?
Out?
Yes, I want to go and look for a laborer's work to do.
Hey.
But
enough you not feeling well.
I've rested enough. I've been resting since. Yeah? At least let me go out there and look for something to do and make money.
I'm understanding you. Okay, I'm going to eating something before you goes out.
No. It's late already. By now, all the laborers must have started work at the site. Let me go and do something, okay? I must definitely eat when I come back. Okay?
I'm liking you eating something before you go out.
Don't worry, I must eat when I come back, okay? Cancan. Okay, I'll see when I come back, okay? Take care.
Make you kakaraka.
Okay, do fast now. What you got to see now? See now, I know the baby. I don't like this again. Carry. Go and stand there, see weather. This is what you know to carry on. Okay, not
Man, you're just joining us today and you're already looking tired. I hope you're ready for this job.
Yes, I am ready, but just that I feel pains.
You feel pains?
Yeah.
You would have stayed back at home now. The person forced you to come this job. See, if you must collect payment at the end of the day, you must have to work it out too. Are you? What is it?
Please, I need you to calm down.
Dokita, I cannot be in the car. I want to see him.
Please, not right now. Just calm down. Look, he was rushed down here in coma and we ran series of tests on his blood samples. And we found that he has abnormal white blood cell.
Chinekeme! White blood! I'm not knowing that one, no! I have person blood changing white!
No, it's not what I meant. It's not like that. See, I promise you he will be fine. I just need you to calm down, please.
Because do you need something? Oh, do you need something? Because me, education is not because. Do you something?
I am doing my best, and I promise you will be fine. To calm down.
Oh.
Alright?
Oh.
By the way, what is Cam and who is Cam?
Oh, Mama, it is a me.
Okay. Because he kept on muttering that words, like he kept on mentioning that name.
Doctor, you want to see me? Doctor, you want to see me? Let me see him. No, you want to see me.
I need you to calm down. You will see him. Just relax.
Doctor.
See, I promise you he will be fine. Just relax, please. Can you just take a seat?
Doctor, sorry. I'm sorry for me.
See, you will see him. Just relax, please. I need you to calm down. Alright? Can you just take a seat, please? Just sit down and wait for me while I go in and take care of you.
Okay, I cannot sit my gosh down because...
Please, you just have to sit down. I will take care of everything, I promise you. Just sit down, please.
Okay, leaving that one. I standing because... Going, treating.
Okay, I'll go inside and take care of him. Nurse, please come with me.
We've been here longer past 20 minutes. Please. Give us a talking.
You guys have to put yourselves together. This doesn't look good.
Give us a talking. Okay,
well, from the series of tests conducted, Izunaya has leukemia.
Look at who? Doctor, please, breaking down.
Well, he has cancer of the blood.
Cancer? Oh no. How comes?
See, look, cancer is not a death sentence. All we need to do is do a proper chemotherapy and you'll be fine.
Starting the treating. Oh, I already given us 108,000.
What you paid for is not for chemo. You actually paid for, managing the symptoms and his actual revival from catalepsy. Anyway, just go see the nurse at the registry. She will tell you what to do.
Which one is initial pay?
Initial payment of 1.8 million.
Hey, where are you getting it from now? Where are you getting it from? Hey, Doctor, thank God you coming home. Yeah. Is she talking I paying initial of 1.8 million naira?
Well, that is not the total cost for the treatment. That is just for his MRI scan and other medical assessment.
Hey, Doctor, please treating him or starting something on him. Because, please.
And then you have to make payment so we can commence treatment on him before the cancer spreads to other parts of his body.
Doctor, I'm not having million. All my life, I not even seen million before.
Please, we need to consult an oncologist. And I'm not an oncologist. I need to contact a colleague of mine who's in the state specialist hospital to come and commence treatment on him. And that will cost a lot.
Doctor, all this thing you're talking, I'm not understanding anything. No. Please, starting something. I don't want anything to happen to him because...
You can't believe there's no way we can start something on him right now. Cancer is a very dire disease and we need to make payment before we start anything. I remember we're consulting somebody else to come and do the treatment. It's not in my power to do anything.
Doctor, I don't want him to die. No, I don't want him to die.
I'm consulting another specialist to come and make the treatment.
Starting something. Let me run around for the payment.
You can run around for the payment, but there's nothing I can do right now.
Doctor, there is plenty thing you can do because. You cannot to having cancer. Go. Your tears is broken the innermost of my heart.
Why am I suffering like this? Have I offended anyone in this world? Have I? All my life I've known tears, sorrows, suffering. When will my G put a smile on my face? When?
It's well is. Enugo, it's well is. We cannot questioning God. He knows it and allows it to happen. Enugo.
Is this how I'll end up? Is this how my life will end?
Talking, you not to die, Ini. If you die, who you left me with?
How am I going to get that kind of money? From where? How do I get it? I don't walk. I am handicapped. How do I get that kind of money? I don't even have any valuable property to sell to make that kind of money. How do I get it?
I'm hearing people talk cancer, the sickness of the rich.
How much you go when the run? This is my life my love is
Doctor! Where is the doctor now?
The doctor can no longer attend to your mother till the payment is completed.
No. Can't you see she's in a critical condition? Please, she needs the treatment. Please, I'm begging you, please. My sister will still be here with the money. She's coming with the payment.
I'm sorry, but we are under strict instruction from the CMD of the hospital not to attend to her till the payment is fully completed.
No, you cannot do this, please. You can't. Please, I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you. Mama! Hey, just give her the money. Let them start the treatment. Please, just give her the money. Kamili, tell me you came back with the money. Kamili, tell me you came back with the money, Kamili, where is the money?
I'm looking roundabout for him everywhere in Sukulu. I know to see him.
Look at Mama now. Look at Mama. The doctor has refused to treat her without any payment. Are we going to continue to watch her when her health worsens? Kamili, where is the money? Kamili, where is the money? Kamili, where is the money? Kamili.
Cancer of the blood. How?
My sister, I confusion as you are. This question you asking me now, who I go asking? All I know is doctor taking his blood, doing tests, calling cancer.
Hey, this is serious, so very serious.
My worry is payment for the treatment, the payment money.
Payment money. How much are we even talking about?
He's saying 1,800,000 and something. Eh?
Hey!
I don't know how to get in it.
Hey, I know. Cancer treatment is quite expensive. I know. Chineke.
How do I get in this kind of money? I'm not getting anywhere. I keep in this kind of money. Izuna is not having job.
My friend, it's okay. Eh? This is the time for you to involve your family members. Involve your relatives. Oh?
But you know, in my story with my family, after Papa and Mama dying, everybody abandoned me.
I know. But what about your twin brother? Yes, now he has a palm wine joint and he's doing very well. Just go to him. I know he can give you part of the money. Oh?
Alice, you know, my brother, I and him, we having problem. Jamike will not helping me, oh. Jamike will not helping me.
Listen, Kankam. You cannot sit here and then conclude that Jamike will not help you. At least try. This is a matter of life and death. Try. He may help. He may help. Oh? Best.
My love is dying now.
I cannot carry you alone. Alice is helping me.
My love is dying.
Alice is coming soon.
Kambili, what happened to him? Eh?
You're coming back, oh. You're crying in payment.
Hey! But I told you, his condition is getting critical. We have to look for another solution to treat him now. Eh?
I heard you. Put your hand. Let's carry him to the toilet.
Okay, no problem. Izundo, oh, sorry. Let's go. Sorry, try, just try.
Easy.
Mom. I'm telling you, Jamaica will not be helping me. I'm telling you. I'm not telling you.
You said it. But please, eh? That is what anybody in your shoe would have done.
Shoe? Which shoe?
I didn't necessarily... It's not the shoe you're putting on. All I meant is anybody in your present condition, in this condition with a sick loved one, that is what the person would have done.
They permit me. It's not a job we can telling me no. Hey, it's job we can embarrassment me publicly in front of everybody publicly. You should private me in Tonto.
I understand. But what baffles me is I don't understand. I thought... How did it get this bad? Like, how did it get to this point? I thought Mama reconciled both of you before she died.
Mama permitted that. It got the best in our sorrow. It's tearing my brother apart.
Doctor, please save my brother. Doctor, please save my brother.
This is 23,000 naira. Please, starting off the treating.
See, look, madam, as you can see, this is not a charity organization. And I'm sure you know we're not joking here. How can you tell me you have 23,000 when your balance is 150,000? What am I supposed to do with this?
Biko, I promise to completion this money weekend before next week. Please.
I am just working on company policy. Look, we have numerous cases like what we end up treating the patient and they abscond with our balance. And some of them accuse us of keeping their patients hold stay. See, there's nothing I can do. Please. There's absolutely nothing I can do.
Mama dying dear. The burial time. Jamu, you cannot give me talking at all. He was very angry with me. I'm begging. Jamike telling me he forgiveness me, but I doing one thing.
Kambele, you are my beloved sister, and we shared our mother's womb together till the moment of our birth. It was the wish of our late parents that we continue to bond together in love, peace, and harmony. That is why I've decided to forgive you for everything that happened before now and wished late Mama's death.
Hey. I thank you, Jamwike. I promising you such not happening again. Inugo?
I won't even give you the chance to. That is why I've reached this conclusion. Kambili, I have the best of your interest at heart. But you must break up with Izuna.
Ah!
That is the only way I can forgive you for everything that ever happened.
You wanted me to break with Izuna?
I said what I said, Kambili. Ajigume say, that boy is a child of misfortune. He can't add any value to your life.
Jamwike, how can you say this something to me? You knowing me well. You knowing I love Izuna very, very much. Izuna is a backbone.
Bah, which backbone? Ibo Oroko, what has he ever done for you? I'm asking you. That boy is a parasite. You cannot afford to keep such relationship now that our parents are no more. Kambili, I have made my point clear, and you must stick with it.
I'm sorry. I cannot break Izuna. I cannot. I love him too much. I cannot.
Then, you must choose between Izuna and I, your twin brother.
Please stop crying. I need you to be strong. I need you to be strong for Izuna. Don't worry, my friend. This difficult time will pass. It will surely pass, I know. I want you to know that I'm your friend and I'm always here for you. You can talk to me. No matter how difficult it is, you can talk to me. Okay? But I need you to do something. Yes. You need to get a wheelchair to aid if Izuna move around. You're not going to be here to carry him all the time. You need to get a wheelchair. Hey. Okay? Hey. Don't just cry, please. Cry. Here is 72,000 naira. I know it's small, but don't worry. By weekend, I'll complete it. I'll make it 100,000.
Mama Emeka, this thing is in big shape. I'm not buying it like that.
You know, I did not plan it. I'm only buying this quantity because you needed money. That's why.
Okay, addition 300 naira. I'm giving you everything. Biko.
That's all.
Wait.
I'm too quiet.
I'm going for man. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Kambili. So it is true, Kambili.
What I done to you again?
I was reliably informed that you are making plans to sell off this shop to raise money for Izuna's treatment. See, I do not care if you decide to sell your two breasts, your two kidneys, and your liver to raise money for him. But what I will not tolerate is for you to sell off this shop, our own inheritance that Mama left for us.
Oh, Jamiki Nabumaso. Inabumaso again. I'm not coming to you for help. I'm not coming to you for help. What you does? You embarrassment me publicly.
No! I should have given you a grand welcome with so many cakes of palm wine when you have refused to have sense. I've told you several times, leave Izuna alone. It's not worth it. It's not.
Haponomaka. Leave me alone. Haponomaka. Hapon Kambili. Ogini.
I do not care how you decide to live your life, Kambili. But what I will not take is for you to sell off this shop. I will not take it. You cannot sell off this inheritance without my own consent.
Hey, Chimo.
Oh my man!
What can you do with far? What can you be far? Why in they look for trouble? Why jam wike? Eh? Father left his bush bar for you. I take it over Mama's shop. Why does everything I do payment you? Why does he payment you?
It seems that boy is not has bewitched you. I will not take it. Give me the key to this shop.
Which key?
I'm locking this shop. Like, give me the key to this shop. Give me the key to this shop. Women in Umitiaba are not allowed to sell their inheritance. I will not permit it.
I tell you you're selling this shop.
Give me the key to this shop.
I tell you you're selling this
I
shop.
want to lock this shop. Give me the key to this shop. Give me this shop. Gambili. Give me the key to this shop. Give me the key to this shop now. Give me the key to this shop.
Okay. Alice, I'm rushing out from there. Jamike coming and scattering everywhere.
Chimo. That was why I was coming to meet you. He saw me on my way back and he started asking me a series of questions.
Hey! Konye gwara yifa. Okay, Kosimata. How does he finding out my planning?
I thought you're the one that told him now.
Am I thinking in madness? I can't do such.
Hey. It's those agents. Yes, those ones we contacted to help us find interested buyers. They are the ones that told him. I'm very sure of it. Hey, but Kankam, now that he has found out, are you still going to sell the shop?
Hey, Alice, seeing your questioning. If I don't give him the shop out, how I completion the money for his own treating? I don't even have 1 million. Hi, and time is on the run out.
It's on the run out, true. So, hey, let's. The only thing we can do is to pray to see an interested buyer.
We will see, you know. We have to see him. He can't say me far.
I don't know.
He can't say me far.
I'm confused too. I'm so confused.
Alice, let me go home and cooking for Izuna, oh?
Hey, you want to go and cook?
Yes.
Hey, no problem. Let me join you. At least I can help you with some chores.
Hey.
You, oh?
The boy, Alice, one man.
Stop now. That's what I
We will get to her very soon. Yes. This sickness can never be cured in a medical way. It can only be cured in a herbal way. I will try my possible best to cure him.
Because treatment him.
I will try my best from my chi. But I need more money so that I can get herbs that will flush out the bad things in his blood.
Oh, Nia. Give him, please.
This is not enough. I'll have to get more things. I need more money so I can get more herbs that can cure him and wipe some bad things from his blood. He can come normal again.
Bring all the money.
Alice, Slappy, which one is your tire?
Alice, Alice,
Can you ask about what is it?
There is mountain on top of fire.
You mean there is fire on the mountain?
There is a big problem.
What is it?
Soon now, you're waking up this morning, you cannot urination. I have taken him from Abogidi back to the hospital for them to treat him.
Have you gotten the money complete? Have you completed the money yet?
I have not completed it yet. Oh.
Hey!
I don't even know what to do in, but I have selling my only land and I've rented the shop out for 5 years.
It's okay now. Thank God that you saw somebody that you can rent the shop and give. There is no further time to waste. We have to do something. Let's go now. I know. Don't start now.
If you are this morning, I want to urination. I cannot urination.
Kambili, how could you administer herbs to him without consulting your doctor? And now we have reasons to believe those herbs may contain aristolochi that could actually cause him another complication and inability to discharge waste. Look, I must tell you he has kidney failure.
Doctor, kidney failure?
Yes, he has kidney failure.
Hey, Doctor, doing something because
Kambili, we have actually done all we can for you. At least we've done our best to stabilize him. See, you have to take him home, please.
Doctor, let me leave him here and running around to complete the payment money, please. Because
You can't leave him in this facility. I mean, we barely have enough space for ailing patients.
Doctor.
See, you have to take him home until you're ready to make part payment, which is 1.8 million.
Please let me leave him here and running around to complete the party payment money because
You can't leave him in this facility. I mean, we barely have enough space to contain our ailing patients. See, you can bring him back when you have the money to pay. Just take him with you. See, we've actually done our best to stabilize him without taking a kobo from him. What do you want us to do?
Takita did something for me,
I don't like what you're doing right now, please. You have to take him along with you. I would have to ask you to leave my office, please.
Takita, if I took him, he might take up him before I reach his house. No.
Just take him along with you. Right? Please, leave my office. You just have to go and look for a payment.
Because
You have to leave my office. Please.
Jamike, Miko, Mesere no me pere. Having me a mercy, Miko no.
Kambili. Gwamizioko. How much did Equitos pay you?
She paid me 70,000 naira.
For 8 years, right?
Wow. No. She telling me she renting 8 years and she paying me 5 years.
That is 350,000 naira. Where is the money?
Eh?
Where is the money?
Wike. The money is for treating Izuna hospital cancer.
Oh. You remember when Mama was sick, right? Did we get the complete money to treat her? You still remember what happened, right? Kambili, it's been 4 years since Mama died. When would you realize that this Izuna of a boy cannot add any value to your life? You practically saw him through school. Since he finished school, he has not been able to get a good job to take care of you. Just take a good look at yourself. Just look at you. Now, Kambili, I do not want to talk too much. Just go into that house and get me the money.
Jamike, are you telling me to give you the money, Nunu? Mama leaving that shop for me. You taking Papa power and you buy. Oh, you're coming into my own righteousness. Me, I know in my righteousness, you know your own righteousness.
Okay, it's your righteousness. I'll go and get it myself. Kambili. See, Kambili, if I enter into this house to get this money, I will grab this sooner and land him on the grass. If I have to win sooner, I will kill him myself. If I have to win sooner, get me the money. Don't waste my time. You can't believe. Don't keep me waiting. Where is the money? Give it. Nonsense! Nonsense!
For how long are you going to do this till we raise such huge amounts of money? For how long?
Alice, I having solution not? Huh? Why not doing another something?
I think I have an idea. Yes. We are going to take Izuna's video. Let's record Izuna. Take some pictures of Izuna and upload on social media.
I not knowing it.
Social media is internet. Like upload it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Okay.
Yes.
Facebook?
Yes. Let's record a video of Izuna. Oh. Do you have account details? You don't have? Okay, fine. See what's going to happen. I'm going to put my own account details there. And after the donation, I can pull out the money, give to the doctor for Izuna's treatment. I just pray people will respond.
Hey.
Let's try that one. I just pray people will respond and donate for Izuna's treatment. It's okay. There's nothing. We can't do any magic. This is too small. Inugo.
I greet you, everyone. Wherever you are watching this video, I'm actually making this video hoping that I'll get your support. I'll start by saying my name. My name is Izuna Nwokolo. I've been diagnosed of leukemia. cancer of the blood. And the doctor said I should start my chemotherapy treatment as soon as possible. Every day I spend money on this sickness. And each day, if I do not spend money on this therapy, it affects my internal organs, which has actually made me to be crippled. I can no longer walk. I don't have anything again with me. And the doctor said I am going to be admitted in the hospital for like 3 to 5 months, which is going to take up to 10 million for this treatment. I am not doing anything. I am not working. I'm only asking for your financial assistance so I can be able to stand on my feet again. Your contribution, no matter what, will still help the poor to be alive again. So please, I ask you, whatever you can assist me with, please do. I am going to put an account number on the screen of this video that I'm making now, and also the name of the hospital and some of my lab test results, so you can actually inquire if you care to. But all I need is your assistance so I can be able to be alive again. I am a graduate. I cannot do anything again. I cannot walk. I can't even take care of my wife. I can't even do anything. Please, I'm begging you. Please help me. If this video come across you, please help me to share it to your friends. No matter what can help, please. And may God help you if you do so.
This is matter of life or death. My love is dying now. Yeah, yeah, no matter. This is matter of life and death. My love is dying. Yeah, yeah, no matter.
Officer, I heard my boyfriend was brought here and 2 other men.
Wait. Your boyfriend is an armed robber?
No, my boyfriend is not an armed robber. No.
What are you saying? The 4 men that were brought to this station today, their record stated that they were caught stealing from the headmaster's house.
Hey, my boyfriend cannot do that. He has never stolen before. Please.
What is his name?
His name is Osita.
Apple. So, you are among them?
Me? Officer, how can I be among them? I'm here for my boyfriend.
Madam, if you know what is good for you, just carry yourself. When you enter there, carry yourself. Waka. You know what is good for you.
Officer, I beg. Make him see him with my eye. Even if I see him, I beg. Let me just see him. Let me see my boyfriend.
Let me go and inform you that one of the guests, boyfriend, is here. Let me see if you know.
This story when you talk now, not story. Waka dey go now. Go report. Hey, I wonder how you put it at times.
I no be thief. Now my boyfriend now here I want see.
Yeah, the girlfriend of a boyfriend that is a thief. He's also a thief.
No, I'm
still there.
Sorry, I'm not the thief.
You see person get. Come on, shut your fast, slap you. See person get to open mouth talk. Maybe you do fast. Now hear your mouth say again.
Where is the girl? Idiot.
No. Thank you. But I didn't go well at all. It didn't go well at all. Please, my sister.
you have money you're not using, I need 100,000 naira, please. Just give me 100,000 naira. If I didn't bring 100,000 naira, they are going to take Osita to court and from court to prison. Please, if you have, give your sister Bikono.
Prison yard?
Yes. They're going to take him to prison if I didn't get the money.
Sister, stop crying, please. Oh, I will give you the money. Just that the money I have is not enough.
I need it. How much are we talking about? How much do you have?
7,000 naira.
Hey, which one is 7,000 naira? Okay, sorry. Sorry. Even you.
Sister, what are you trying to say? That 7,000 naira is not money. Eh? Don't you know that if you add 7,000 naira to the figure, it will reduce to 93,000?
Hey, go and bring it. You're right. Go and bring it.
Let me go and get it.
Thank you.
Sister. See the money.
Hey. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Mana, sister. Biko, I beg you with God's name. You will give me back this money.
I know, I'm going to pay you back. I know you're not dashing me the money. I'll pay you back, don't worry.
Hey, Biko, stop crying. It will be fine.
Where will I get 90-something thousand naira to make it up? Where will I get that kind of money? Hey,
I think I have an idea.
Hey. Oh, you spill it out now. What's the idea?
What else I go sit down? You will come here and come see. You don't put your clothes where? Come on, shut up your mouth. You still your mouth to talk. Are you hear this one? Yeah. You know that this should let me see part too. Oga, go that side with the wear your clothes. Stand up. Not see face.
Officer, assistant, please. See, you should go and thank that your girlfriend. If not for her, you would have rot in jail. Just like your friends. Don't thank me. I don't need your thanks. All I need from you is to change. Change for good.
No, may not change. What's it again?
Don't thank me. I don't need that. Let us go. Just go. Let's go before you commit another one.
Don't worry now. Next one now.
There are people who come here yesterday night. You know this them. I don't see how to say.
Yes, it's not this.
Hey! Surprisingly, people have started generating lots of concern based on Izuna's issue, and they are making good donations already. Yes, sir.
Thanking you, God. Oh, thanking you. Because thanking them for me.
Yes, that is what I'm doing. I've been replying their messages. I've been thanking them. I'm so happy. Wow.
So, really? When we will be going to hospital?
When we have the full initial payment, we'll go to hospital. With the look of things, by weekend, we'll make like 2 million naira. Yes. You're responding.
God will bless you for me, Alicia. You suggest
are you like this? Have you forgotten you're my friend, my childhood friend? This is the least I can do now.
Chineke! Alice! You don't know how happiness is doing me.
I know.
When I thinking I having no hope. When I thinking I having no money to treat in Izuna. God will give you this sense. Alice. Oh, because
God will do it for us. God will do it for us. By weekend we will have 2 million naira.
Hey!
We will rush to the hospital.
It's like hey! Alice!
Thanking them. I am. I'm doing that. It's not good. It's thank you.
Doctor, how is he does now?
Well, I can't believe we have stabilized him. And we're just waiting for the oncology so we can commence proper cancer treatment on him.
But why is it taking him so much time to arrive now?
Well, that is because I didn't give him any prior notice. And besides, I haven't made payment to him.
Doctor, why does you not make payment? No.
That's because I've not received any alert. And your friend here said she's made the payments to my account.
Yes, actually I did though. But I don't know what's wrong with my bank. They've been having network issues since 35 minutes ago.
Well, I will advise you rush down to the bank and make a withdrawal. Because if the oncologist arrives here and we don't make payment, he won't start any treatment.
Alice, wake up. Goes to bank, withdraw our money. Oh, I come in with you.
No, you don't have to come with me. Stay back in case Izuna needs anything. Oh,
I'm coming. I'm coming. Take care of me.
Okay, just let me go.
Nurse, my friend, the payment money.
I was about asking you that because it's not seen us as money.
Hey, I'm trying her number in my phone is switching off. Nurse, please, helping me using your phone trying number.
Okay. Yeah.
Nurse, I not knowing how to using your own. I'm giving you the number.
Camille, what's going on?
Doctor. Nurse, it's not going on.
Camille, what's going on? What's all this? I thought you said you had money.
Yeah?
Look, it's been over 5 hours and this is almost 10 p.m. What's going on?
Doctor, we having the money. My friend, the withdrawal eat.
Look, Camille, it's been over 5 hours now and it's almost 10 p.m. So what are you saying?
Doctor, I trying her phone. It's switching off.
Oh, you guys wanted to blow my intelligence, right? And look how you ended up embarrassing me after I invited my senior colleague from the city. Oh, you thought you could deceive me into starting the treatment.
Dr. Makachi, we have 2 million plus. So my friend Alice withdrawal eat because patiently exercise.
Look, the best I can do is just for tonight. If by tomorrow morning I don't get the money, I'm going to discharge the patient and kick him out. Nurse, please take care of the patients in Ward 1.
Good morning. Welcome. Sorry I disturbed you. What of your sister Alice? Hey. Alice left us at the hospital yesterday and not coming back.
Hey. I should be asking you that. I was even planning on coming to the hospital this morning because she did not come back last night.
Hey!
Yes. And she told us she was going with you to the hospital.
Chineke me. At least he left us at the hospital and did not coming back. How is it possible? Mama. Good morning.
Mom, God bless you. How are you? I'm surprised to see you this early. Eh? How is Izuna's body?
Mama, we're still running around to payment the money,
But Alice told me that people have gathered money for the treatment.
Mama, I come in for that reason, At least he's going to bank since yesterday to withdraw our money. We're not seeing her till now. Mama, since yesterday at least he goes to withdraw our money. She's not coming back till now.
How can she go to the bank to withdraw money and she didn't return back to the hospital?
Hey!
Huh?
If you name me.
Yeah? Mama. Agatha.
Mama.
Where is it?
Mama, I don't know.
Hey! What do you mean you don't know?
Hey! Chineke me. And they cannot return his now without payment being completed.
Agatha.
Mama.
How can Alice do this?
Mama,
Alice cannot do such a thing now.
I remembered something.
What is it?
Sister Alice told me that she will be visiting her friend Osita. So I suggest we should check her there.
Is she mad?
Let's go in there now.
Is she mad? How can she go to Osita's place and sleep over there? That they don't she have shame again?
Can you get back? Oh, can you get back?
Take her there. Take her there. Hi! Children of these days, they are something else. Eh? They make and they are Nazoras. Acting as if they had no home training at all. She is lucky my husband is not alive. Because if my husband were to be alive, she dare not. But let her run. Until she comes back to this house, I will deal with her. I'll wait for her. She will come back and meet me.
Brother C.
Yeah, how are you? Did your sister inform you?
Inform me.
Oh, I thought she did.
About what? Brother Sita, please, is she here? We have been looking for her since, and we have been trying to reach her. Her number is not going.
Are you really asking me? You're asking me that?
Biko, we are in the serious. Okay. Oh, we're looking her since yesterday. We're not to seeing her. Because you saw her.
It was that same yesterday. I came back home and I found out that Alice picked up her few belongings and absconded.
Absconded?
She ran away. She just ran.
Hey, Alice is running.
Kambili, please. She wrote letter for you. She left letter for you in the house. She kept. She wrote a letter for you. Kambili.
I want more.
She wrote a letter for you.
Alice Bobo! Alice Bobo! Alice Bobo! Hey! Where are you going? Who is helping me? Who is helping me? Hey! Alice Bobo! Alice Bobo!
How much you going around? This is matter of life or death. My love is dying. Yeah, no matter. How much you go daramo? This is matter of life and death. My love is dying. Yeah, no matter. I'll send you my girl. My love is dying now. Ambajugo Wendera. This is matter of life or death. My love is dying.
I heard what happened. Who could have thought that Alice Obiekwe, your very good friend, could do such to you? Has it not dawned on you yet that you are surrounded by toxic people who do not care about you? Your life can only get better when you realize that it is better to be alone than to chase people who do not care about you. Can't believe you have lost everything. Your savings, your shop, your time and efforts are all in vain. Now that Alice is no more, it's time you left Izuna. Rap Izuna. Leave Izuna and come back home, Kambele. I am willing to offer you a better life. Send you back to school. But the choice is yours to make. So you either continue to wallow in abject poverty and this sufferness. I repeat, the choice is yours to make. Else, I will leave you to live your life, Kambele.
Is it a crime to love? Why? After all the love, after my sacrifice, I'm in pain. I'm heartbroken. I'm in pain right now. I'm heartbroken.
Truly, I have fallen short of words to tell you how terrible I feel about my sister's actions. But I do not have any logical reason or explanation for her actions. Pico, Uzuko. But my instinct tells me that one day she will come back home and explain herself to you. Pico.
Agatha, when is she coming back? When Izuna is a dead?
God forbid. Nothing will happen to brother Izuna. Nothing. I may not know when, Auntie Kambili, but my instinct tells me that something is amiss. Something is wrong somewhere. But before then, you have to be strong and pull yourself together. Pikon, please.
How? I am a ghost mad already. Izuna is lying on bed. I'm not having anyone to ask him for help in me.
I understand your pains. But do not lose hope yet, Bikun. With God, all things are possible. And He will send a helper to you. Biko, please. I want you to find your appetite and eat this food. Bikun. If not for anything, but for Brother Izuna, you know he would like to see you stay strong and healthy.
Let me give him his medication.
Just eat first.
Good day. I was wondering if I am in the right place.
That depends on your destination.
Sorry, I forgot to mention. Is this the home of Mr. Izuna Nwokolo?
Yes, you are in the place of right.
thank God. My name is Miss Sabina Nwobodo. I am the daughter of the former CBN governor.
CB?
I mean Central Bank of Nigeria. Yes, I was away in the US when I saw a short clip of Mr. Izuna seeking for financial assistance for his ailing condition. I couldn't do much from there, so I decided to return and find him so I could help facilitate his treatment abroad.
Abroad? We're not having money to sending him in the abroad though.
You don't need to worry. No one needs to contribute a dime. Neither him nor anyone needs to contribute a dime.
You see, Guinea?
Thank you, ma! Thank you! Thank you, ma! Hey! God will bless the friend upon you! Amen. You got to know you lacking in your life! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
This form here contains all the drugs and tests that have been administered on him, and I'm sure our doctors can work with this.
Oh, so it's one of the requirements needed.
Yeah. Kimberly, I would love you to sign here. You know you're his next of kin. Just. Is there a problem? Okay, I understand. I totally understand. Just put down your initial, like write K-O for Kambili Obunaya. Just write K and O, and that's good. Go ahead, just K and O. That's fine. I believe we can actually do this.
Thank you so much, Dr.
Amodi.
I've instructed one of my security aides to give you the sum of 100,000 naira.
Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for all your effort.
And thank you for your kind gestures.
I'm sorry, but you cannot travel with him.
Hey, how are you leaving my Izuna without anybody now?
Oh no, he's traveling with an infirmarian.
Madam, which one? Say
a male nurse that will attend to all his needs and cater for him.
That is me now. Me doing it. I am Kambili. He's coming soon wife.
What do you mean by coming soon wife?
Izuna and me, marriagement is soon.
Okay, so you mean his fiancé? Okay, I'm sorry. I had no idea, okay? And besides, the traveling documents are ready. I've been prepared already.
Hey.
Yes.
Madam, Biko, doing something. I cannot live in my Izuna. Biko, no. Biko, doing something for me. Biko.
Calm down. I'm so sorry, but it's not my fault. It's the policy of the foundation. They try to reduce the number of people traveling with the patient to reduce the cost of traveling. I never knew that Izuna had a close relative or a loved one. If not, I would have replaced you instead of the male nurse traveling with him. Madam, I'm so sorry.
Because replacement me, Nana. Because the nurse replacement me with the nurse. Because I beg you.
I have no knowledge. I'm
I
so
not
sorry.
leaving him. I not leaving him. Because
I have no knowledge.
Knowledge better than we
Okay.
Become replacement me. I cannot live in him. No. I cannot live in him. I die without his Izuna. Because I'm sorry.
Auntie Kambili, I understand your fears and worries, but I think you should be concerned about Body Zuna recovering fully from this ailment. Oh?
Agatha, I'm not knowing why I feeling. What if a wrongdoing?
Do you mean his safety? Auntie Kambili, Zukwanike, rest. You always worry about nothing. But Izuna just confirmed that he knows Sabina from his university days in Nsukka. So it's not a problem. Oh? Or didn't you hear when she said she flew all the way from USA, Obodo Yibo, just to assist Bodizuna? Ozuko, all we have to do now is to pray without ceasing, so that his treatment overseas works out. Ozuko, all we have to do now is to pray frequently, so that nothing will happen to him.
The doctor has ascertained Izuna fit enough to travel. Please, take my card. Feel free to call me anytime. He will be at the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital till his travel date, okay?
Madam, thank you. Thank you. When is Zuna abroad traveling come?
Oh, you mean you mean on the 26th? 6 days from now.
6 days?
Yes.
If I came Lagos, saw him before Izuna flighting abroad.
No problem. Just call me. I will instruct one of my aides to make adequate preparations for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chimgoziegi.
You're welcome. You have nothing to worry about. While we were in school, Izuna helped me with one of my courses. That I will never forget. I promise I will do everything in my capacity to make sure he gets adequate treatment, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm about to go where this is matter of life or death. My love is dying.
What's happening? You're crying tears. What's the payment? Agatha!
I think I believe your friend Alice is dead.
What are you feeling?
Hey! I was here. I was sitting here with my daughter Agatha. We were sick worried about Alice. I was wondering where could she be. All of a sudden the Marani. He ran and I was screaming. And I asked Agatha to go with him. What have I not done for you people? Where have I gone wrong? Ever since your father died, I've tried my best to be a good mother to you. Why will Alice be doing this to me? Why will Alice be doing this to me?
have I done?
Polilolo! Chineke Namo! What is it? Nearly, the worst has happened. The worst has just happened. My eyes have seen my ears. Chineke Namo.
What happened?
Nearly. I went to the site. My brother is building his house this morning. On getting there as I was walking around, I saw a dead body covered in a heap of dirt. Oh, Jesus.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
I wish it was. No, Newanyo.
Bano, this can't be now.
Newanyo.
No.
Mama. One of you should accompany me to the site so that you can identify the body yourself.
Let's go. Let me go with you.
Yes.
My legs are shaking.
Let's go, Agatha.
My legs are shaking. My legs are shaking. My name is Samson. Chiba! God, I'm not to anybody. When I got that gun, it was. This one is so wicked. I am very far. I am very far. Who do wet this? Hey! I am very far. Who do wet this? I know it, oh my God! Only something is it. No punishment goes without under punishment. Amen. Amen. Hey, Jima, I'm begging you, because collection me back. I cannot live in alone in dirty house. At least my friend is a dirty. I'm begging you, collection me back, because
our paths may have changed from what happened in the past, but our bonds as twin siblings will ever remain the same. This is your home, Kambili. Who am I to shut you out from it? Besides, Alice's boyfriend, Osita, was a close friend of mine. And his corpse was also found just the same area that Alice's own was found.
It's a guinea. Osita is a dirty too. Hey.
Yes, he's dead. And the police is here to unravel the circumstances surrounding his death.
I'm not hearing this one. Osita is a dead. Chai! Get the main far. Who doesn't this Ibadi? Magachi, they know in peace, not to know in peace in their life. See me. I'm feeling bad in myself. Me thinking Alice. Withdrawal money, running money for treating away.
No one knows for sure what happened. But one thing is certain. Alice withdrew that money that very day. And there are speculations that She and her boyfriend had disagreements over the sharing formula and they killed themselves.
It's not a fitting thing happen. It's not a possible and Alice is a does of that thing. Mba. Mba.
I understand how you feel. Not wanting your trust to be betrayed. But what has happened has happened. If a millennium may go, a bezina.
I'm confusioning and broken. At least the death and the Zuna number not connection since. Hey, is this a continuing how long? Madam Sabina number not connecting too. How does I spoke Izuna now? Maybe she gone finally abroad for treating. God, Biko, bringing him back safety in good health conditioning.
This is matter of life and death. My love.
Good morning, Jam Jam.
You still remember that name, Jam Jam? Good morning, Kam Kam. Hope you slept well.
Yes. You sleeping well?
Good, good. As you can see, I'm set for today's business at my bar.
Jam Jam. I coming to telling you I following you to bar, to washing plates and servicing customer. You pay me small money.
Why would I subject my own twin sister to search when I can easily pay you monthly stipend? Come on. Come.
Stipend.
Oh. Stipend is like a fixed amount of money that I'm willing to give you. Probably, yeah, monthly basis. See, Kam. I already have it all planned that way for you. That is why I've been telling you to leave that Izuna of a boy. And now that you have finally done that and you are home, I already contacted a school teacher that will take you on home lessons, especially on English language, yes. So that by next time, you will enroll in a good school and start up adult educational classes. So just stay home and then prepare onugu soup for me. Come.
Thank you.
Stay home, prepare something. When I come back, I'll do Facebook phone.
Bye.
Okay, we are still on English language. Today is 2/11/2022. Auxiliary verbs or helping verb. Do you understand? And make sure you put down everything I'm saying here. Auxiliary verbs are those verbs that help the main verb in a sentence. It also helps you in English language speaking proficiency. Write it well, eh? Write it well. There are 3 main auxiliary verbs. That is, do, be, and have. We use do in present tense. We use be in continuous tense. And we use have in past tense.
English is confusion, you know.
Hey, calm. Kamelistic Kamele. Obembe Adamanunti. See, the right things to use is English is confusing. Say it. Say it now.
But this one you taught me now, plural English confusion. If a plural man is a man, why not plural man pan is a pen?
Okay, give me a peck on my cheek so I'll tell you what you want to hear.
Tell me now.
Give me now.
You see this in English, eh? One day, I must learn how to spoken small.
Yeah. One day you spark. Okay. Definitely you learn. And don't worry, when I make money, I must send you back to school. You must go for adult education.
I can't wait to go back to school.
You will. Aya, give me a kiss. So I'll teach you more. Give me a kiss. Aye, why are you rushing it? Eh? You want to wound me? You do it softly and gently. Okay? Hello? Come. What you want to do it? You do it like this.
Goes away.
Yes. There are 3 main auxiliary verbs. Do, be, and have. We use do in simple present tense. Be in present continuous tense. And have in perfect tense. I think you are getting acquainted with... Kambli, what is it? Did I say anything wrong? Or is there anything you don't understand? What's the problem? What is it? Who is Izuna? Kamli, it is okay. I am your teacher. And it is very important I ask you this question. When I observe that you are distracted, and now that you opened up to me, I can understand everything. I may not know this man, but I understand that he is very important to you. I will join you in your prayers. We pray that he comes back safely. Please, stop crying.
Thank you, Teacher Cletus.
It's okay. It's okay. And another thing is that while waiting for him, you have to take this lesson serious. Your English language matters. The writing and reading. It will help you in communication so that when he comes back, he will be happy with you.
I really does that.
That's you call it again. Not does that. You say, I will do that.
I will do that.
That's very good. That's very good.
Thank you.
Gambia Mara Singerishi, Kambiria mare dengirishio, manama kwa right yo. Kambiri mwa oyoyo, kambiria mara singirishi, kambiria mare doibo, manama kwa right yo. Kambiri mwa oyoyo, kambiria mara singirishi, kambiria mare dengirishio, manama kwa right yo.
Teacher Cletus.
My boss.
I hope she's learning very well.
Absolutely well. He's doing very fine.
Wow.
Yeah. She's a fast learner.
For real?
Yes, and I think in 3 months' time, you will get the result.
Oh, really? I'm good to hear that.
You are come home earlier.
Oh, yes. That's because the car I ordered from a car dealer in Benin came in today.
You buying car?
Oh, yes.
Where are you keeping it?
It's outside.
Kambiria mara singirishi, kambiria mara dengirishi, manama kwa right yo.
Hey, Ejimo.
Kambiria mara singirishi, kambiria mara
I'm a balance.
manama kwa right yo. Kambiria mara singirishi, kambiria mara dengirishi, manama kwa right yo. She don't know how to speak, she don't know how to write.
Teacher Cletus, good morning.
Good morning, Kambili. How are you?
I'm fine.
I can see you're not ready for today's lesson.
Are you ready? Let me drop in this gallon at the backyard.
Okay.
I come in now, after I bath.
Kambili, it is not bath. Say bath.
Teacher Cletus, leaving this one like that, now bath with a bath here.
Kabiri! What happened, Kabiri? Kabiri! It's really awesome.
Doctor, how is my sister?
Wow, she's doing fine now. We have revived her.
Any physical or internal injury?
No, not at all. She's fine.
So why did she slump into her consciousness?
Well, I guess she was overstretched from labor. I mean, an expectant mother like her needs more rest.
Expectant mother? I don't understand.
Wait, you want to tell me you're not aware she's 3 months pregnant?
3 months pregnant? How?
Anyway, I've prescribed some drugs for her and she should be doing her antenatal soon. See you later.
Teacher Cletus, so when you told me that I would start seeing results on my sister in 3 months' time, this is the result. You heard the doctor loud and clear that my sister is pregnant. Who is responsible? You are the only man that has come close to her within the same time frame. I'll leave both of you alone in my house and go to the bar every day. Teacher Cletus, who is responsible?
Boss, I'm a teacher. I know nothing about it.
Teacher Cletus, who is responsible? Ah! Teacher Cletus. Ah! Who is responsible?
I don't know. Leaving him. He is not knowing something over it.
Who is responsible? Kambili, who is responsible?
Zulu.
Izugini! Ah!
Wait. What is the problem now? What is it?
She's carrying Zuna's pregnancy. She must abort it.
Wait!
She must abort her pregnancy.
Is that why you want to kill your sister?
No,
wait. I will not. Wait, never. I will not. Wait.
Why? What happened?
I carry Izuna pregnant. He wants me to remove it.
You're pregnant for Izuna? And your brother wants you to remove it? But why now?
You know,
why would he want to kill an innocent soul?
He's not like my friendship with Izuna.
Even at that, you shouldn't kill an innocent baby.
Mama, please, talk into him for me.
You will give me his number, so that I'll call him on the phone later. Because I know now he will still be angry. Whatever I tell him now, he's not going to accept it. But come inside so that you rest and eat something. Ndo, you shouldn't be running with this condition. Sorry, Ndo. Jeba.
Gambiria mara singirishi, Gambiria mara dengirishi, manama kwa right yo. Gambiria mara singirishi, Gambiria mara doibo, manama kwa right yo.
The joy I have felt from having my twin sister back home after many years have been broken. How do I live in this house with her, knowing she is pregnant with Izuna's child? She ran off to Mama Lizzie's house and reported me to her, like I'm the bad person here. I know what to do. I know.
She don't know how to speak. She don't know how to write. English.
I have spoken with your brother on phone. And he said he's going to allow you to keep the pregnancy. Yes. And he said he's going to come here to take you back home personally.
I'm happy inside and out.
I know. Hey, I'm happy for you too.
It's okay.
Kambili, I want to ask you one question. Is Izuna aware of the pregnancy?
No, Mama. He does not know him.
Why?
I have not spoken him in 3 months.
And he has not called you too?
Mama, I feeling he is in the abroad, taking treating. When he returns in Nigeria, he calls me.
It's okay. We pray for his safe return.
Amen.
And we pray he comes back in sound mind.
Amen. Amen.
I'm happy for you.
Mama, thank you. Thank you.
Kambili, always feel free to come here if you're in need of anything. Oh?
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Oh. Be careful, oh. In this condition, it's not everything you should be doing. Stop running around. There's another being inside you now.
When God says yes, no man can say no. When God says yes, no man can say no.
Jamike, thank you very much for listening to me. Please, I want you and your sister to live in peace. this issue should not come in between both of you. Oinugo? Biko.
Mama, I thank you for your kind advice, your efforts, everything you put in just to make sure my sister and I settle this issue amicably. Thank you very much, Mama.
Eh? At least for nothing. For the sake of my late daughter Alice. You know Alice is so fond of your sister Cambry. And she will never want to see her troubled. She can go to any length. May her soul rest in perfect peace. It's okay. It's okay, Mom. It's okay. God knows the best. Oh, it's alright.
Thank you.
Please take care of yourself. Oh, please.
Agatha, you are now Mama's solid daughter. Take good care of Mama. I will. Alright, I'm giving you this.
She's a good girl.
Hey! Buy foodstuffs and other groceries for Mama.
Hey,
let her keep looking good like this.
Thank you.
Are you paying for the food she ate?
I just go with my sister.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Camby,
Agatha.
take care of yourself.
Bye bye. Agatha.
No running around though.
Bye. Take care of
no
yourself.
running around though. Camby, which I get the prayer. Eh? Hey. Hi. Nice boy. God will bless you.
Jam.
Come.
You called me.
Yes.
When?
Yes. I wanted us to toast to a new beginning.
Hey!
A new bond between us that will put our past behind us, so that we can live peacefully, cheerfully as twin siblings.
Hi, Jam. You really thought it out well.
Yes. This is the real queen, pure and undiluted.
You see, in this life, nothing will ever separate us.
For we grew together.
To the same beat of our mother's heart. It's sweet though. What happened?
I told you, pure and undiluted.
Sorry. Hey! Very sweet. Jam, is anything matter? Jam, I thought you're worry. It's my one neighbor. Please take me, go hospital.
Jamike, you see this concussion? It has already carefully prepared. Eh? All you need to do is to add 2 spoons inside her drink and to flush away the pregnancy.
Miss Opaka, I hope he's safe. I don't want anything that will kill her.
No, just do as I said, 2 spoons. Don't add more. If you add more, she may die. She may die. Take, you come and thank me later.
So you mean 2 spoons of this will flush away that thing in her stomach?
Flush it away. Just 2 spoons and it's over.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Alright.
Go.
How can we stay together forever? If you kill me, if you kill your only 2 sisters, please take me go hospital.
Ever since you came back from your medical treatment abroad, you have not been yourself. Izuna, you should be happy and thankful. Not so many people survive what you just passed through.
Yeah, you're right. I'm really, really thankful to God, you know. But, I mean, the only reason I fought so hard to conquer cancer is no more. So how do you expect me to be happy?
That is the reason. You need to move on. A major reason why you need to move on. Or do you want to kill yourself because she's dead? I see you dialing her number every day. Are you expecting her to pick or something? I know how you feel, okay? But please, I don't want you to have a mental breakdown.
See, I do not really care if I should lose my senses, but if that can bring her back to me, fine. Look at me. Yes, I'm healed of the sickness. But am I really living? What is this life without Kambili? What am I doing without Kambili?
Hold on. You call what you had with Kambili a life? That was abject poverty. You were living from hand to mouth. Yes. Listen, I am willing to get you a job in one of my father's companies. Yes, I will do that for you. And if you don't like that, with his contact, I can get you a job in an oil company. Yes. All you need to do for me in return is leave the past behind you. Okay? And move on with me.
I was going to tell you that I'll be traveling to the village first thing tomorrow morning.
What for? Why?
There are some things I need to go sort out. I'm yet to go there since I came back.
But you have no one in that village. You are one orphan that was abandoned by his relatives and kinsmen, so what are you going to sort out?
One person that was there for me when I lost everything. One person that didn't abandon me when I was battling with cancer. One person that gave to me all she has. And it looks like I was going to die. I really need to go and see by myself if she's really dead.
Izuna, you have your interview tomorrow. And you know I pushed everything to get you that position.
Sabina, every other thing can wait till I come back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hold on. A well-paying job that you've searched for all these years?
I know, and I really do appreciate all you did for me. Yes. But I need to go sort out that which troubles my heart and my whole being. Any work can wait till I come back. When I'm done, I'm going to start off any kind of work I want to.
But she knows what she wants.
Jamike, I was actually going to your house to see you.
What for? Do I have any business with you?
Jamike, please calm down, okay? Please. I Kambili, I want to see her, please.
Izuna, do you not have any shame? Like, what has my family done to you? I'm asking you, Izuna. You dated my sister and you fooled her to give you money meant for our mother's treatment. And what happened? My mother died because of you. Now you are here standing before me again to ask for my sister, the same sister that you killed because she was trying to remove the baby you put inside of her. Ah, Izuna, it will never be well with you. Izuna! Omadregema.
Jamike.
Nonsense.
Jamike, hold on. Jamike. I am so sorry. You mean Kambili is dead? Oh my God. This trauma would never leave me to the rest of my life. I know I've wronged you people. Yes, but please, I beg you in the name of God, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know there's nothing I would do in this world for you to forgive me. But please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I will make it up to you.
That will never happen. Izuna, that will never happen. Not in this lifetime. Get out of my sight before I lose it.
Jamike, please.
Get out of my sight before I lose it. Nonsense.
Wow, my brother, what's happened? You just disappear from this way, disappear totally, nobody see you. You go appear again, appear another different person. What happened now?
I was flown out of the country to receive proper treatment.
Budoyibo? Hey, wow, it really showing you. Honestly, you really changed. You changed, everything about you changed. Thank God, thank God.
Yeah, thank God for everything. Please, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Do you know the whereabouts of Kambili?
Jamike's sister?
Exactly. When was the last time you saw her?
My brother, the last time when I see him, I see him for road with him, brother. Jamike, they push him. He won't kill him. I say, wait. I hold him. I say, Jamike, waiting. Why you want to kill him? Like your sister. Why you want? You say, man, leave. I say, wait. What happened? Say the girl get belly. Say he was supposed to say one killer. Huh? I go home, try to calm him down. No, they can't go. Small time again, the story when I hear, you know, like but I go talk him. I go hear say the girl, see one go aboard the child, and he die. Hi! I shall say Jesus. He died.
Hey. So this is true. Jamike said that, I thought he was joking.
I tell you, see, the way I see Jamike, he's the verse, the para, he move around the if he see you, see the arrest you, he go carry police arrest you. So I just give this advice, come out, make him just calm down, then if you come back again, just come out, I beg. That's the verse, the para.
My heart is full of memories. We built memories and shared many moments together. With pride, I speak of your name, Kambili. Sorry I had to put you through this. I wasn't there to stop you. I wish I could get another chance to rewrite this part of our story, but I cannot. Though life goes on without you, it will never be the same. I love you with all my life. Come. I'll carry you with me in my heart wherever I go.
Life is not going to be the same without you, Zonam. How am I living this life if I'm not going to see you?
Hello, Ma. I calling. You're not picking my call. Since last week, see, I calling. You telling me Zuna coming last month. I calling and not hearing from you again.
That's because I thought he would. But he never came back.
What do you mean he never came?
Izuna died while undergoing treatment in the foreign hospital.
Chinekebe, it's not possible my Izuna is dead, you know. You promised me he will coming back.
I don't know how to explain it, but the doctors, they did their best. They did everything possible. I also did my best, but we lost him. I'm sorry.
Hey, Madam, bring him my Izuna back. Bring him my Izuna.
You know what? I'm also feeling his loss. So just, we have to move on. You move on and take care of yourself, okay?
Hello? 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 Hey! Get them, look at that! Ewo!
It's been 3 weeks now since you stepped out or eating anything solid. You can't continue to live like this. Why are you doing this to yourself now?
Are you ready to give me back my phone?
You know the reason I took the phone away from you? Eh? You kept calling the woman. Her whole intention was just to help you, but you kept harassing her with your incessant calls. No, now.
Problem. I'm going to pack in my things and leaving.
Where to?
Today making it 5 months. Alice's body finding in the bush. Let me go see her mother and sister and spending time with them.
Kambili.
You can keep it the phone with you. Keeping it.
I knew your trip down to the village would be a fruitless one. Eh? And it will break you down the more. Why are you trying to take responsibility for her death? And how are you even sure you're responsible for her pregnancy?
Hey, stop it, please. Don't even go there. That's the last thing she could do, to cheat on me.
Izuna, please. Let's not dig deeper, okay? You've been away for more than 5 months. What makes you think she has not fallen along the line?
Can you please respect the dead? She's not here to defend herself. She's dead and gone. So please do not bring up accusation against her. The few villagers I asked told me how her brother scolded her not to carry my child inside of her. Her brother hates me so much.
I'm sorry, okay? You know, I'm just worried about you. I really care about you so much.
Hey, Sabina, please stop. I cannot do this. Please, stop.
Izuna, why? Your girlfriend is dead. And I'm here for you.
I know, but I can't still pull myself together to do anything with someone else. I can't. Can't you see that? I still feel her presence very strong around me. I can't do this.
Aren't you coming for your sister's memorial prayer?
No. I just want to sit here and read her last words to me.
Last words?
Yes.
Alice writing something?
She wrote this letter before she was found dead.
Alice writing this?
Yes.
Beloved Mama, I am really saddened and grieving at your death. It has made my twin sister and I full-blown orphans with the loss of Papa while we were still babies 24 years ago. I am wondering, yes?
Now that your mama is not living again, who will loving and carry us like her? Wike, because writing me too for mama, so that mama knowing I loving her. Oh, because
Kambili, you will have to write it yourself, huh? Take.
Wike, you know I not writing well. No. My it's not fine like your own.
I know this handwriting. I'm a aka of Philmond.
We are going to write a short test.
Oh, Bara Jesus, so then so. Test quoi?
You have to write tests on those things I've taught you. You have to go and get a sheet of paper.
Okay, let me get a sheet of paper.
Kambili! Don't keep me waiting.
Mba. Alice not writing this. I know who written this.
Then who did? I can't believe who did now. Tell me who did.
You have done the right thing, Kambili. Some other persons would want to hide or protect their brothers and relatives. But you are indirectly endangering your life. Because if your brother is guilty, then a murderer will stop at nothing than to take another life to protect himself. I've taken your statements. We will do the needful.
Police, because doing him a naughty something. Because
your brother lost the right to that plea when he took the life of another. But we'll do our job. Okay? Just let us do our job. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hey, hold it. You must be Jamike Obonaya.
Yes, and who are you?
I'm Detective Franklin Obi, State CID Homicide Division. We have a search warrant on your house.
Search warrant? Is anything the matter?
We have an intel that you're connected to the deaths of Alice and Osita. Officer.
Hey, hold it.
Don't move. Don't move.
Hold it.
Take him back. Move it!
Officer, there you go.
I said move it! Move it.
Yes, I wrote the letter. But I didn't kill her.
My friend, this investigation has gone too long. I advise you to cooperate with us, tell us the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I swear, I don't know anything concerning the deaths of Alice and Osita.
Okay, so, how do you explain the deceased phone found in your house? You can't speak anymore.
Casey!
Criminal.
Jamike, please, just open up to them now. Just tell them the truth. Tell them that you are the brain behind all these things. Please. That it was your plan for us to rob Alice and steal the money that's meant for Izuna's treatment. Please, just tell them I'm okay here.
Guys, I must say that inflow of money into my girlfriend's account, I mean, the kind of credit alert my babe is receiving this period is over 2 million naira as I speak.
I never thought anyone would be moved by their story. I never did.
Jamike, you know, because you didn't watch the full video clip, that's why you're sounding the way you're doing. I put it to you that if you had watched it, believe me, you'll be forced to sell your shop, probably give out the whole money to him.
I would rather sell my property, take all the money, put inside refuse bin, and set it on fire, rather than donating my 1 naira to that guy Izuna. Gosh.
Jamike, is that the much you hate this Izuna of a guy? Why do you hate him like this?
See, that's not the reason I called us here. I want us to put our heads together on not to get that money from Alice.
I swear. Because 2 million plus is not the kind of money we just sleep on. Because while you're sleeping, some guys are out there making payments slip. See that money? We need that money. We must make them.
Mister, come on. Let's put our minds together.
So why did you make a report to the police all this while?
Officer, I was scared. He threatened to kill my mother and my sister if anybody gets to find out what happened. I was so scared, I couldn't stay. I have to run away, I have to go to Oka. Where your men found me and got me arrested.
Yeah. We tracked you from your phone number you used in calling Alice. The same day she went to the bank and withdrew money and was missing. Now, are you going to continue being strong-headed and admit your crime? The whole evidence here is stocked against you. And I bet you won't go scot-free in this case. You won't.
Why? Jamike, why? Why? Jamike, why are you doing me this? Jamike, give him Merugi. Give him Merugi.
I have hurt you, Kambili, and let you down. I am deeply sorry for this shameful act. I have realized that I was self-centered and never considered your happiness all this while. I never let you leave. I have done so many regrettable things just to spite your feelings, so you don't date Izuna. Now I'm not even deserving of your love, but want me to be called your twin brother. But here is my last word to you, Kamili. Go and unite with Izuna. Izuna is still alive. It was that woman, Sabina, that lured us to lie to you that Izuna is dead. So I forged a plan with Waka.
You mean Izuna is alive?
Yes, Izuna is still alive. As we speak, he is set to traditionally marry Sabina at the neighboring village, Umunsi.
singilishi. Kambiria mare dengilishi. Manoma kwa right yo. Kambiria mare singilishi. Kambiria mare doiba. Manoma kwa right yo. Kambiria mare singilishi. Itinke ya bubiti boliba. But she knows what she wants. Kambiria Mara English. You can call her Olodo, but she knows what she wants. What is written is written. This is true love. True love cannot be bought with money, education, or qualification at all. No matter the weight of rain, no matter the trials, what will be. God's time is the best. If I okay, Chineke, okay. If I okay, Chineke, okay. So stop fighting to take what belongs to another. You cannot fight someone's destiny at all. You know, go when God says.
Today is a great day for women's people. We are giving out our daughter for marriage. Lady, my daughter, you go and give this drink, this palm wine, to your special, your heart. so that we know who he is.
Achalugum.
Achalugum. Dikeh.
Hey.
Mama.
She don't know how to speak, she don't know how to write. Oyibo, oyibo. She don't know how to speak, she don't know how to write. Oh, English, oh. Cambio, cambio, cambio. Cambio, cambio, cambio. Cambia mara English, cambia mara English. Manama kwa right yo. Cambia mara English, cambia mara doibo. Manama kwa right yo. Cambia mara English, itinke ya buku iti boliba. But she knows what she wants. Cambia mara English. You can call her Olodo, but she knows what she wants. What is written is written. This is true love. True love cannot be bought with money, education, or qualification at all. No matter the weight of rain, a messiah will get a no matter the trials, what will be, will be. God's time is the best. If I work Chineke, if I work Chineke, so stop fighting to take what belongs to another. You cannot fight someone's destiny at all. You know, go when God says yes, no man can say no. When God says yes, no man can say no. Cambiria Mara Singelish.